going on, folks? Alright, I'm gonna pick, this one is an old rust one, and it is by Trekmaster30, Spool-a-thon. There's the tag, and there's the bidding. Not much of a bidding to it, but sure, whatever he tossed in there is gonna make it fun. Let's get it clamped up and let's see what we can do. Not sure if I'm gonna need some luck on this one or not. Alright. And oh yeah, wide open. Well, not wide open, it's a narrow opening, but I should be able to pull this off with an 18 down one side. Oh yeah. That was 3, I believe. Starting at the back of the lock always throws me off on count. I don't know which one that one was. I just pulled the pick out a little bit and all set. It was 4, I believe. Yeah, we're gonna go counterclockwise. I believe that was 5. I'm gonna leave that one alone. And 3, 2, 1. It's like 3 again. Bunch of little clicks on it. Nope, that was too much. I will probably try to rake this off camera. That looks like a good rakeable bidding there. That was 6 with a click. Was 3 given several clicks. Uh-oh. try counterclockwise again. So we're going to go my normal route about this. Start from the front and work the way back. One, two, three is the one that gives us the deep false set. Four, click off of four, and I just overset it. One, two, three, four, five, two, three, four, five, six, three, and dropped all the way back down. Feels like I'm just missing one pin here. Or I've got one pin overset. Oh, that was number 2 that gave a good click. No, that was number 3 that gave the good click. Number 2 is the one giving feedback now. I really hope that's the tailpiece hitting and not a nasty false set. Yep. So, finally got it. Alright, as I'm setting up to do my gutting, you already know what it is. You know, go check out Mr. Trekmaster30. Of course, flatheads. Go check out Mr. Trekmaster30. Amazing picker. Great guy in the community. I don't know him personally. I do know what he's done for other people though, so I do know that he's a pretty cool guy and he's a great guy for the community. And playing to find the screwdriver right now. But where was I? His link's gonna be in the description, along with Bronx Lockpicking 60. He's the one that sent the lock to me. There it is. Yeah, BLP60 sent the lock. The Discord server, a lot of great people on there. I highly recommend checking it out, not just because I'm the one that made it, because there are a lot of great people on there. But yeah, let's go and gut this and see what we've got in there. Oh boy. There we are. I hate flatheads. They're always a pain. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna need a shim for this one, even though there are T-pins. Yeah, I will need a shim because my follower doesn't fit right. Unless, let's go back to my other little case. And see if this one will work. Well then, that one's too big. Yep. Alrighty. My 3D printer did not like me that day, so it did not print properly. Nope. So yeah, gotta shim it. And that's the problem. I don't know where my shims are, I don't think. I think this is a good one. We shall soon find out. Alright, I know I've got more shims around here somewhere. And they're the thin ones. Oh, let's see if I can reach these other followers I've got. Alright, let's try these followers. There we are. So I don't know where my thin shims are right now. And we did have T-pins. Alright. Number 6 was an overset trap. I think I fell into that one a time or two. A lot of very nice serrations on these pins. of there. Don't be shy. Wait a second, that looks like a driver. Let's see here. I guess he didn't have long enough pin for that one. He master wafered that one. See, all of them are threaded except for number 6. Number 6 is smooth. Well then, now that's a spool. Stubborn springs. Ah, someone mangled that spring. Yep, these springs are going to be difficult. Alrighty. So far, very nice pins. Wow, that one's crazy. Got 4 pins in that one chamber. Tell you what, that had some pressure coming out. Should have got my rubber mat out. That way I'm not chasing them around. Alright. Let's see. I forgot. I've got a flashlight. Let's see, the Bible matches the core. 1 through 5 of our threaded and 6 is smooth. Let's see, zoom in a little bit. Very nice pins by Mr. Trekmaster. Amazing spools. He did very good on those. They did put up a good fight too. So, until next time, folks, go check out Trekmaster, amazing picker. Support his channel. Support BLP60. He's another great picker in the community, and check out Discord. Got a lot of great pickers there. Until next time.